What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Westfisher here for another unboxing video. So what we have here today is the instant air fryer Vortex. So if you're in the market for one of these bad boys, we are going to fry up air fry some pork chops tonight. So this is going to be an unboxing and a review because I'm about to do some cooking. So what's inside this bad boy? Don't mind my box. Got smashed up a little bit on the way here, but it's still good to go. So we just gonna tear into this bad boy. Okay. So what's inside the box? We got some material here from Insta. Probably got some cool instructions on how to cook some good meals or something. Who knows? Here you go. Guess they have a plus size version, I'm guessing. So anyway, we'll go through that later. We're fine. Let's see what's in here. Not much of an unboxing. This is probably going to be my easiest unboxing that I've done yet. Easiest unboxing we've had yet. There you go. This is a pretty decent sized one. So hopefully we can cook a lot of our pork chops in here tonight. Looks like we got some tape here on the side. So those out there who do use air fryers and know anything about air fryers, definitely leave a comment below. This is going to be our first time, me and my wife's first time owning an air fryer. So inside here, we have the rack that you cook everything on. I'm assuming. My question is, how do you clean this bad boy? Only time I used the air fryer was at my parents' house, and cleaning that bad boy was not fun. But this is a pretty decent sized air fryer. I'll put that back in there. Pretty simple here. Got some more cardboard in there. So I'm going to plug this up, turn it on, and get cooking. Folks, it's time to do some cooking. So go ahead and wash the tray. That's good to go. So now let's do some cooking. All right, so we got 4 pieces in here. Hit air fry. 290. 15 minutes. 390. Yeah. So actually it's in preheat mode. And we'll start cooking here in a second. Alright, so technically let it preheat first. Then when it say add food, then you add the food. And now we got the 15 minutes on one side and we'll do 10 minutes on the other side. Alright, this is the first batch. Hey, can you put them in a plate? Let's take the fork and put them right here. What do you guys think? Actually, we cooked them a little, maybe too long. We did 15 minutes one side and 10 minutes the other side was the goal. But they're nice and crispy. Thank you. All right, this is the finished product. Looked like it came out good. I know it's gonna taste good, so time for dinner.